All right, before I go to the field flying, I gotta get a coffee because it's early morning. I just got up, and yeah, this is the only way I can wake up. So I'm going through the drive-through of a very Canadian coffee shop called Tim Hortons. The temperature right now is like 0 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty chilly out, and yeah, I'm gonna need some sort of gloves.
Allô, bonjour.
Hello, can I get a medium-sized coffee and I'll take it black? That's everything.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you. This weird looking coin with a polar bear in the center is a Canadian $2 coin, which we call a toonie. Thanks. This is the size of a medium coffee out here. Yeah, some places you get a medium and it's much larger, but this is about the size in my neck of the woods. At the field, and there's only two people here besides myself. We have Norm and Tony.
Hey, good
morning, Tony.
Good morning.
Morning, Norm.
Fantastic, man.
You are not flying.
Not yet.
Oh, you know what? I'm out here early to fly.
Good.
You're gonna watch me crash? Watch me crash?
No,
help me out, help me out.
You never crash.
I'm gonna fly this plane that I've crashed twice. And I came out this morning because I have about a free hour. And then I gotta go home, so I'm gonna go fly it right now.
Let's see it.
Well, you gotta help me balance it. Whoa, we have smoke coming out. I must have blew something with all the... Look at it there. Oh no, I've blown something. Oh well, I'm gonna have to replace that. So this is the plane, Tony. Here,
okay.
hang on to that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I guess I could fly this way and then around. When you plug it in, there we go. Hear the pretty sounds. Yeah, so it just, this battery squeezes all the way down in there. Just move some of these wires out of the way. But the trick is to get it to be balanced. I'm gonna put it to the back a little bit. All right, so there's that. Let me put the camera in so we get the weight of the camera. All right, check the balance point. What do you think? Give it your best shot.
It's balanced if it's...
You think?
Well, if that's where the CG is, then it's...
You think that's good?
It's perfect.
All right, let's fly it. Let's fly it and crash it.
Actually, you know what? Wouldn't be a bad idea even moving the battery a little bit forward too.
You think so?
It's always better to have it
More
nose heavy.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay, I know nothing. I've flown it with nose heavy and rear heavy. There we go.
That's good.
So there we go. We got it a little bit further. So we'll see. Try it now. What do you think?
Yeah, that feels nose heavier.
All right, let's give her a shot then. So the cool thing with this is I could drive it around. Let's drive it back this way. All right, a lot of sand on the road.
Yeah.
A lot of gravel. All right, Norm, prepare to watch this most amazing flight of destruction or something. I don't know. I don't know. Every time I've flown this, I crash it. I gotta aim it this way a bit. All right, here we go. There we go. Let me bring it back. So every time I've flown it, I've crashed it, but the gods are shining happily on me today. I'll bring it back this way. There we go, coming back this way. Whoa, there's a post up there. I'm trying to bring it over us a little bit so you get a better shot. There we go. Norm, was that close to the post? So here's what I don't know. I don't know how to land. Where should I land it?
Towards the wind.
Should I land on the road here?
On that field over there if you don't want to try the parking lot here.
Yeah, I think I'll have to go in the field because I have no idea. Okay, coming over us, Tony, and up.
That's right, keep the speed up a bit on a windy day.
Okay, I have the throttle at half.
Well, that's a good speed.
That's a good speed here?
Yes.
So I get my bearings. We'll go this way. And we're going to start bringing it down.
Should I keep it up?
Should I cut the throttle?
Yeah, when you're close to the ground.
Okay.
Bring it towards you.
Right this way? Still flying.
There you go.
How was that? All right, so now I have one more battery. I want a pro to try it. Norm or Tony? Who wants to try it?
No, Norm.
Why, are you worried about that?
Norm can fly it with his eyes closed.
Norm, you're a pro. Well, if I flew this, and this was flight number 3 without crashing with no problem,
Really?
you can do it. Yeah. I'm trying to learn how to be a pilot like you guys. You can give it full throttle. There it goes. What do you think? Is it too nose heavy or is it better?
It's still rear heavy.
It's rear heavy? Oh, yeah. So I got to push the battery even farther forward. Here he comes. Here he comes. No, I think there's safeties in it to stop it for that. Look at that, he's gliding now. Oh, yeah, he makes like a pro landing. No problem there. So what did you think? This is a very...
You do have trims. What's this?
Oh, I guess those are trims. Yeah.
You son of a bitch.
I don't know how to use trims. I never use them on a plane. You did well, though. You did well.
I know, but I could have done better if I could have trimmed it.
Any difference, Norm?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's much better?
Yeah. Can you land it in the parking lot?
Kenny, here he comes. Whoa! Kenny, here he comes. Whoa! Okay, that time you had me scared. I thought that was coming at me. Okay, next up we have Tony, who's going to give it a shot. So, take it away, Tony. I'll follow you with the GoPro. Well, that was close to the pavement. So I never would have thought it was a glider, but you were gliding it. All right, so ends the flight of this beautiful plane, and I'm gonna put links below in case you want to get yourself one. Thanks again to Tony and Norm way over there in his car for helping out. I can fly this thing now. This is great. Catch you in the next video. Bye.
Jesus, you're freaking me out now, buddy.
Can you bring it over our heads? Hang on, I'm gonna go behind you. Bring it right at your head. That way I'll catch it. Also, I'll hide behind you.